Hello and welcome back to another video. It's Declan here, and today I'm just going to talk about Peloton and how it's performed after its recent earnings and why there's been such a drop in the share price. And I'll show you an article on CNBC, and then I'll show you on Finviz how the stock has been doing the past number of months and year to date, etc. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you stick around until the end. I'd appreciate it. And the article is Peloton shares drop 22% after posting wider than expected loss, falling sales due to bike recall and seasonality. So Peloton reported its results Wednesday for a quarter. Peloton reported its results Wednesday for a quarter its CEO warned would be among its most challenging. The connected fitness company posted a wider than expected loss but beat sales expectations. Peloton shares plunged off the news, closing 22% lower. So I have Finviz open here, and I have the daily chart, and you can see 23 when it was at its peak. It was trading at $17.24, and as of market close, it has been down to $5.83 as of Friday market close. So yeah, it's been on a steady decline, trading well below the 20-day, 50-day and 200-day simple moving averages. The past number of months it crossed here and it crossed below them, and it's been dipping ever since. So I just go through the article more. So on Wednesday, Peloton reported a wider than expected loss and a quarterly drop in new subscribers that it blamed on its recall of its bike seat post and seasonality, sending shares plunging about 22%, which is quite a bit. So the company fell short of analyst earnings estimates but beat sales expectations. So loss per share 68 cents versus 38 cents expected. Revenue 642.1 million versus 639.9 million expected. So sales dropped to 642.1 million, down 678.1 million a year earlier. So the company's fourth fiscal quarter, which falls during the summer months, is traditionally slow, not just for Peloton but also for other fitness retailers. Consumers have a tendency to pull back on workouts during the season as they travel and take part in other summer plans. Yeah, and I know myself, I spend more time outdoors during the summer, and like anyone that buys the fitness bikes would naturally use them more during the winter months. So that's just the reason for that. So Peloton's performance is a reminder we operate in a seasonal business, McCarthy wrote in a letter to its shareholders. So yeah, that's more or less the reason. So Peloton also believes the recall of its bike seat post, which had a tendency to detach and break unexpectedly during use, created more churn than it expected. The metric stood at 1.4% for the quarter. The company suspects 15,000 to 20,000 people decided to pause their monthly subscriptions during the quarter while they waited for their seat post to be replaced. Yeah, so things have come against Peloton now the last number of months. So hence the decline in the share price. And as I said, it's been on a steady decline the past number of months, and no fault of the company. Like, this is just the way the stock market operates. Small things can cause wide swings, and like hopefully the stock will recover in time. As I said, no reflection on the company. So I hope you enjoyed my analysis of Peloton stock and share price, and as I said, it's trading now as of market close on Friday at $5.83, and they're the reasons: the seat recall and everything I showed you here. And yeah, so that's how Peloton has been doing. And yeah, thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.